After 65, 5 factors that determine longevity you must know. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life after 65? It's not just about adding years to your life, but adding life to your years. Let's dive into the 5 crucial factors that can significantly impact your longevity. Reaching the age of 65 is a significant milestone, marking the beginning of a new chapter filled with opportunities and experiences. It's a time to reflect on the past and look forward to the future. Our focus now shifts to healthy longevity, not just living longer, but living well with vitality and independence. We want to help you thrive in your golden years. In this video, we'll explore 5 crucial factors that play a significant role in determining your longevity and overall well-being after 65. Understanding these factors can empower you to make informed choices and take control of your health. Diet plays a pivotal role in determining your health and lifespan, especially as you age. What you eat directly impacts your energy levels, immune system, and overall well-being. A healthy diet should be rich in essential nutrients that support your body's functions and protect against age-related diseases. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out. Fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Aim for a variety of colors to get a wide range of nutrients. Vegetables are another essential component, providing fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Leafy greens, colorful peppers, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are excellent choices. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats, provide sustained energy and fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Choose whole grains over refined grains whenever possible. Lean protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, and lentils are crucial for maintaining muscle mass and supporting overall health. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, which can aid in weight management. A healthy diet provides your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. This includes vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory foods include fatty fish, berries, and olive oil. A balanced diet can prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It's a powerful tool for protecting your health. Processed foods are often high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, which can negatively impact your health. Limit your intake of these foods. Sugary drinks, such as soda and juice, provide empty calories and can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Opt for water or unsweetened beverages instead. Excessive saturated fats, found in red meat and full-fat dairy products, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Choose leaner protein sources and lower-fat dairy options. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and mobility. Focus on a balanced diet and regular exercise to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Adequate vitamin D intake is essential for bone health and preventing osteoporosis. Sunlight exposure and vitamin D-rich foods or supplements can help. Adequate vitamin B12 intake is important for cognitive function and preventing neurological problems. B12 is found in animal products and fortified foods. Regular exercise is essential for maintaining your physical and mental health as you age. It helps you feel good and stay functional. Staying active allows you to continue enjoying your favorite activities and maintain your independence. It's about living life to the fullest. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, such as brisk walking or cycling. This can be broken down into smaller chunks of time throughout the week. Alternatively, you can aim for 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, such as running or swimming laps. Choose activities you enjoy and that fit your fitness level. Include strength training exercises at least 2 days per week to maintain muscle mass and bone density. Use weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight. Physical activity improves cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It strengthens your heart and improves circulation. It helps maintain muscle mass, which is crucial for strength, balance, and mobility. Muscle mass naturally declines with age, so it's important to counteract this process. Exercise boosts metabolism, helping you burn more calories and maintain a healthy weight. It also improves insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of diabetes. Physical activity enhances cognitive function, improving memory, attention, and overall brain health. It can also reduce the risk of cognitive decline. It helps manage chronic conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Exercise can alleviate symptoms and improve overall quality of life. Regular exercise reduces the risk of falls by improving balance and coordination. This is especially important as you age. Physical activity promotes better sleep, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It can also improve the quality of your sleep. Strong social connections are vital for your longevity and overall well-being. Humans are social creatures, and we thrive on connection. Maintaining relationships with family and friends provides emotional support, reduces stress, and combats loneliness. It's about feeling connected and supported. Social connections provide emotional support during challenging times. Knowing you have people who care about you can make a big difference. They reduce stress by providing a sense of belonging and support. Social interaction can help you relax and cope with stress more effectively. Strong social connections combat loneliness, which can have a negative impact on your physical and mental health. Feeling connected to others can improve your mood and overall well-being. Maintain relationships with family and friends by staying in touch regularly. Make an effort to call, visit, or write to loved ones. Participate in social activities such as clubs, groups, or community events. This is a great way to meet new people and stay active. Consider volunteering your time to a cause you care about. Volunteering is a rewarding way to give back to your community and connect with others. Stay connected with loved ones through technology, such as video calls and social media. This can help you stay in touch even when you can't be together in person. Social connections stimulate the brain, helping to keep your mind sharp and engaged. Social interaction can challenge your thinking and improve cognitive function. They promote a sense of purpose and belonging, which can improve your overall outlook on life. Feeling like you're part of something bigger than yourself can be very fulfilling. Social connections contribute to a more positive outlook on life, reducing feelings of isolation and depression. They can help you feel happier and more content. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Mental well-being is essential for overall health and longevity. Prioritizing your mental health can improve your mood, reduce stress, and enhance your overall quality of life. It's about nurturing your mind and spirit. Managing stress is crucial for mental health. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay present in the moment and reduce anxiety. Focus on your breath and your senses to ground yourself in the present. Engage in activities that stimulate the mind, such as reading, puzzles, or learning new skills. This can help keep your brain sharp and engaged. Reading books, newspapers, or magazines can expand your knowledge and stimulate your mind. Choose topics that interest you and challenge your thinking. Learning new skills, such as a new language or a musical instrument, can keep your brain active and engaged. It's never too late to learn something new. Playing games, such as puzzles, board games, or card games, can improve cognitive function and provide social interaction. Games can be a fun and engaging way to stay mentally sharp. Mental well-being helps maintain cognitive function, improving memory, attention, and overall brain health. It can also reduce the risk of cognitive decline. It reduces the risk of age-related cognitive decline, such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Taking care of your mental health can protect your brain as you age. If you're struggling with depression or anxiety, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide support and guidance. Addressing mental health issues is crucial for overall well-being and longevity. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Regular medical care and preventative measures are essential for maintaining your health and preventing serious illnesses. Proactive healthcare is key to a long and healthy life. Staying on top of your health can help you catch potential problems early and take steps to address them. It's about being proactive and taking control of your health. Regular checkups with your doctor are crucial for monitoring your health and detecting any potential problems early. Schedule regular appointments and follow your doctor's recommendations. Screenings for common age-related conditions, such as cancer, heart disease, and osteoporosis, can help you catch these conditions early when they are most treatable. Talk to your doctor about which screenings are right for you. Stay up to date on your vaccinations to protect yourself from infectious diseases. This includes the flu vaccine, pneumonia vaccine, and shingles vaccine. Take prescribed medications as directed by your doctor to manage any existing health conditions. Follow your doctor's instructions carefully and ask questions if you have any concerns. Open communication with your healthcare provider is essential for ensuring you receive the best possible care. Be honest and upfront about your health concerns and ask questions if you have any doubts. Proactive management of your health improves your quality of life by preventing or managing chronic conditions. It allows you to live a more active and fulfilling life. It extends your lifespan by reducing the risk of serious illnesses and complications. Taking care of your health can add years to your life. Longevity is a multifactorial concept, influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. It's not just about one thing, but a combination of many. Your lifestyle choices and health management play a significant role in determining your longevity and overall well-being. You have the power to take control of your health and live a longer, healthier life. We've covered 5 key factors: diet and nutrition, physical activity, social connections, mental well-being, and medical care and prevention. Focusing on these areas can significantly impact your longevity. By embracing these principles, you can unlock the potential for a long, healthy, and fulfilling life after 65. It's never too late to start making positive changes. Ready to take charge of your health and well-being? Start today by implementing 1 or 2 of these strategies into your daily routine. Schedule a checkup with your doctor, join a social group, or start a new exercise program. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you. Share this video with your friends and family so they too can benefit from these life-changing tips. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on healthy aging and living your best life after 65.